Hello and welcome back to Learn with Lou. Today I'm going to teach you how to screenshot a certain part of your screen, how to screen record, and how to screen record with audio on your Mac. Okay, so let's get straight in with this. So if you want to screenshot, what you're going to want to do is press this button, Command, with the button Shift and 3. And if I do that, if I can get my fingers right, should take a picture. So that's just taken a screenshot there. Open that up for you. So there we go. We have a screenshot which we can then save for later. If you want to take a certain part of the screen, what you want to do is press Command Shift, and instead of 3 you want to move along to 4. So if I press Command Shift 4, then your mouse on screen, I don't know if you can see this, has turned into a like a, what's it called, a pointer. And then with your mouse you just drag the area of the screen you want to take a picture of, like this. It'll highlight it in grey, and let go of that, and boom, we have screenshotted that part of the screen. Okay, on to the more difficult one, screen recording. Okay, screen recording, again, very simple, built into the Mac if you're up to date. What you want to press is Command Shift and 5 at the same time. So if we click that, Command Shift and 5, then it brings up this option on screen right now. So we have record the entire screen, record a select portion. So we're wanting to record the entire screen, and then you've got your options button here. And in your options you have loads of different things. So the first one at the top is where to save it to: desktop, documents, mail, messenger. Just choose where you want to save. I've got mine pre-recorded to save to the desktop. You can also set a timer on it. And then this is where the audio is. So you have your options of microphone. If you've got a microphone plugged in, you can record your microphone while doing it. None, you won't have the ApowerSoft devices, I don't think. They're built-in microphone. Or what you can install, which is called Loopback Audio. I'll put a thing on screen right now. Loopback Audio is really good if you want to screen record and have audio from it. It basically loops the system sound through the loopback audio, and then we'll record that directly. So if you do want that, there'll be a link in the description down below to Loopback Audio. It's free. Download it. Honestly, it's a lifesaver. It makes screen recording so much easier. If you want clips off like YouTube and stuff, Loopback Audio is the way to go. So if you want that, you can click Loopback Audio. If you select Loopback Audio, what you need to make sure your sound is also on Loopback Audio. Now, you will not hear a thing while it's on Loopback Audio, but when it records, it will record and you'll have sound. So if we put it on Loopback Audio, and then we'll just take a recording right now, record the entire screen, and let's record a bit of, I don't know, it's a video, what should we do, trending, just record a bit of the trending video. Let's have Molly May, why not? So as you can hear on screen right now, no sound coming out of the computer itself. That's because it's on Loopback Audio. But when we play back the recording, then hopefully it should have sound. So we'll just let it do a bit of the recording. So there you go. Speak in the first 2 seconds. So no sound coming out of the computer, and that's now saved. We'll play it back. Once you've finished though, turn back off Loopback Audio and internal speakers, and then we'll play this clip for you, prove it works.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So it's slightly weird right now.
Okay, there it works. So that is how you screen record on Mac. That's how you screenshot on Mac. That's how you screen record with audio. Thanks for watching this Learn with Lou video. We'll be back soon with some more tutorials for you guys on anything Mac. If you have any special requests, make sure you put it in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, why not click that subscribe button for more tutorials every week. I'm getting back to doing them every week. It's been a while, but I am going back full ham with this channel. So yeah, if you want to also subscribe to my other channels, Got Questions and Gator Theories, there'll be a link in the description for that as well. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon with another tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.